Greetings, families. You know, it's a good meditation I'm on the pan right now, you know. I tell you something out in the street I also right now on the bus. You know, many people will fight you down. Yeah. When you do something that's right. Because you rise your elevation and a whole a different term and a higher meditation. So you know it's Rastafari soldier. You're red, green and gold. I'm here to tell you, say, you tune in to my channel. You're guaranteed, wherever you're there, hit the red subscribe button and become a part of the Rastaman panel. Because you know, say, a uprightfulness, a the truth, a nutrition, a positive vibration. Yeah, and them things the Rastaman I deal with. Upfulness, historical artifacts and anything there. You know. Big up all my friends and my families. Yeah, close, home and abroad, because it's necessary to remember your roots. Yeah, and man, I deal with the truth, I deal with reality and culture. Man, deal with the vultures. So, want to big up all people that are close to me and the people that are far. Yeah, big up man like NBG all the way down in Ghana. Yeah, the Ghana King. Big up my brother Fibodella all the way up in Lauderhill, Florida, Jamaica Hill. Yeah, big up my mommy, brother, sister, all the way up in Georgia, Buckhead area there. My uncles them up in the Bronx. Yeah, give thanks, Yagan T. Big up all of my family them out of Portmore up in the New Kingston area, them want big them up, Yagan T, you know it's Rastafari soldier, red, green and gold. And anyway the youth them see I man on the overnet, the internet, whatever net you want call it, the Facebook, Yagan T, the FBI gram, and all them thing there. You know, see a truth, a reality, and a culture I man promote Yagan T. Jamaica's finest, St. Elizabeth, farming general, it's Rastafari soldier, red, green and gold. So may I ask you to leave your comment, may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. Anywhere you see I man, join the Rastaman panel. You are gone. Hey, Rastafari soldier. I love from the mind, the heart, and the soul. I man Trinity Yagan T. May I keep it going. More life and more joy and more happiness. Yagan T. Bless upon yourself, family.